Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am bringing you a Pretty Little Thing haul, which you will know because of the title, but just in case you didn't read it, it's a Pretty Little Thing haul today. So I've got quite a few bits from there, so I'm going to try it all on for you guys, tell you what I think, all of that good stuff. And this video is very kindly sponsored by them, so they did send me like the clothes, but I picked out what I wanted, and of course like I'll give you my honest opinion on like the fit, sizes, material, all of that good stuff. So yeah, gonna get on with the video now, but of course everything will be linked down below if you did want to go buy anything. But yeah, so I'm gonna start with the top I got on, which is Pretty Little Thing, obviously. Not sure why I told you that, everything in this haul is Pretty Little Thing. But it's basically this little like black kind of long sleeved top, and it kind of buttons up in the centre here and has like a square neckline, and it's like cropped as you can see. But I just thought this in the summer with like little denim shorts would look so cute. I know it's winter at the moment and I'm wearing it, but oh well, for indoor use it's good. But I just thought it's so cute. It has these little puffy sleeves. I need to take the tag off actually. Let me rip it off. I got this in a size 8 if you're wondering. But yeah, I just thought so cute for the summer. Even with like a little skirt would look really nice, or you could wear it in the winter, maybe with some high-waisted jeans for like going out for dinner or something. But yeah, I just thought super cute, and I'm hoping they might have it in white as well, because I feel like I want to get the white. I didn't see it online, but it might be there. Okay, so then moving on to the next item. I've already worn these and I'm obsessed. Like, I feel like this is probably one of my favourite things in this haul. So they're basically these like white kind of knitted wide leg trousers, I would say. I don't know, you'll see on the try on, but they basically have these like two massive pockets at the front, and they come up quite high-waisted on like your waist, which is really nice because it kind of cinches you in. But oh my god, they're so comfortable and they look so good. I'll insert a picture because I wore them the other day with like a little camel jumper and a leather jacket, and I felt like it looked really like chic and cool, but also so comfortable. Like, these are the kind of trousers you can put on if you're going for a meal and you know you're gonna eat a lot. Chuck these on, no one will be able to tell that you've eaten like your body weight in food because they're just super stretchy, comfortable. Yeah, I got these in a small. I think they come in small, medium and large, and the small fits me fine, but it is like super stretchy, so I feel like if you are a little bit bigger than me, then I would go for the small still. And I loved them that much that I also got them in brown. So this is what the brown pair looks like. I feel like you can see the details a little bit more now. So they basically just go down and there's a piece of white thread. Let me get rid of that. And the camera's gone really bright. Is it gonna go down? Is that better? Yeah, that's better. So yeah, this is the brown pair. I thought just with a little white top would look really nice. Again, it's something you can wear like at home, really comfy, or you could wear out for like a nice dinner, something like that. Again, I got these in the size small, but I'll link them down below if you do want to go pick them up. And I think they also come in grey as well, which I'm like, do I get? Do I not? Unsure. And of course, it's not a Katherine Bond haul without a coat. This one I picked up is a cream teddy coat. Surprise, surprise. Basically it's similar to the ones in my last Pretty Little Thing haul, but it's slightly longer. So it has like the buttons and the pockets, but it just goes down slightly longer than the other ones. But I just thought this was so cute and it looked so cozy on the website. You can chuck it on with like pretty much everything. It's completely lined on the inside, and I got this in a UK size 6 because I felt like it's probably going to be quite oversized, but you will see what it looks like on because it is just so snuggly and I can't wait to wear it. So next up I have some joggers. I think I have 3 pairs to show you guys because PLT's like tracksuit bottom and joggers are always the best. I have quite a few pairs already, but I wanted to pick up some more. So I got these grey ones. So yeah, they're just simple kind of joggers. They kind of cuff at the bottom like that, and then they have the kind of drawstring waist. I love these because they come up super high-waisted on me, which is what I like with like jogging bottoms, because you can kind of cinch in the waist really nice. And they have pockets as well. I got these in the size 8, and I also picked them up in the cream as well. So this is what the kind of like creamy white pair look like. Exact same, they kind of have the drawstring waist, and then they go down and like cuff in the bottom. Got these in a size 8 as well, and they fit really nicely on me. I did wear them out the other day with like a little white top and a pink teddy coat over the top, so I will insert a picture so you can see kind of what that looks like. But yeah, super comfortable, and they're not too see-through, which is great. And then the last pair I got is just a black pair. These ones are slightly different to the other ones. They're in like a thicker material, and the bottom kind of looks like that. But yeah, these are just really comfy. I feel like they're going to be so warm as well, because they are really thick, and they have pockets and everything. I picked these up in a size small. Next thing I picked up is this kind of black blazer dress, and it has this little like tie belt in the middle. It has these like buttons down the front. It's kind of double breasted, and you just do it up with one of them. I do really like this. However, I will have to say that if you are tall like me, you're gonna have to wear something underneath, because the slits on the back of it, they have these slits, but they're not like sewn up. I'm not sure if you can tell, but yeah, they completely like flap around when you're wearing it. So if you're tall like me, if you was to not wear something underneath, you would totally see your bum like every time they kind of came open. So you are going to have to wear just a little like black slip dress or something underneath. But it is super cute. Like, I love the style of these, and I think they're so flattering on whatever shape you are. But you'll see in the try on what it looks like, and bearing in mind that I am 5'8", 5'9", so things do tend to look short on me. But if you are like normal height, so like 5'5", this will be completely fine on you. So I have this little like knitted cardigan. I just thought it was so cute, and just warm and cozy for when you're lounging around the house. But yeah, it's basically just like this knitter's cardigan. It has this kind of cable knit design on the sleeves, and this I got, oh, it's one size, so you'll see kind of what the sizing looks like on. But yeah, I just thought super cute. Throw on like with a pair of jeans or something, a little white top underneath. Only thing I will say, it smells a little bit like Play-Doh. I'm not sure why. I'll put it in the wash, and then I'm sure it will come up fine, but yeah, it's like a salty Play-Doh smell. I then have these like black, I don't know, they're kind of like wide leg trousers, but in like a really soft kind of jersey material. Almost like pyjama trousers. Like, I feel like I will probably wear these for pyjamas. But they just looked really comfy on the website, and I'm all about that comfort life, if you can't tell from this video, because everything I've got, I've like spoken about how comfortable it is. So they're basically just elasticized around the waist and come up kind of quite high-waisted, and then they just go down into like a flowy kind of trouser look. But you will see what they look like on. I picked these up in a size 8. Then I have this kind of creamy white, just really simple knitted jumper. It's kind of cropped, yeah, I'd say that's cropped, and it has a roll neck, and then the sleeves just turn up at the ends like this. I just thought this looked really nice on the website, and it's something you can wear with pretty much everything, and it's gone really dark. Let me try and lighten this. Is that better? I think that's better. Yeah, so yeah, this is what it looks like. As I was saying, I feel like it would look really nice with jeans, something like that, just really cozy. And now it's gone too light. Nope. Okay, I feel like that's okay. Let's just hope the sun doesn't go behind a cloud, because then it gets all messed up and I have to change the settings again. But yeah, as I was saying, this pair of jeans looks good. Got it in a size small, and you'll see what it looks like on. I then just picked up some hoodies. I feel like PLT does such great basics, so I just picked up this black one. Really simple, has like the hood, yeah, It's a hoodie, there's really not much to say. Has like the drawstring things around the neck. I got this in a size small, and then I also picked it up in the white, and the sun's gone weird again. Ugh. That's too dark. I feel like, is that okay? Yeah? I feel like that's good. Right, okay. And my floor is so creaky, so if you can hear that all the time, that's why. As I was saying, this was the other hoodie I picked up. Just a really simple white one. Exact same, they come in like 5 or 10 different colours, I think. And I got this in a size small again. And then the last thing I picked up is just this jumper here. I'm not exactly sure what this pattern's called. Is it houndstooth? I think that's what it's called. But it's just in this like cream and kind of beige colour. I just really liked the colour of this. I feel like it's a little bit more than just a plain jumper, but it's not too out there. Yeah, so I picked this up. It is so soft, like I can't tell you how soft it is. I was kind of scared it was going to be really itchy, but it's not at all. And I got this again in a size small. So that is everything I picked up from Prettylittlething. I always find it so hard to say it. But yeah, everything I picked up, of course it will be linked down below if you did want to go and get anything. I really hope you enjoyed this video and seeing what I picked up. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!